Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are analyzing Intel Corp, ticker symbol INTC. Intel Corp is a global technology company known for producing processors and semiconductor solutions used in laptops, desktops, servers, and networking systems. It is a key player in enabling modern computing, data processing, and digital infrastructure across industries. The company is currently focusing on innovation in artificial intelligence, advanced chip design, and expanding its manufacturing network. These efforts are aligned with global trends such as increasing data usage, cloud computing, and demand for high performance computing systems. Now let's look at the chart. The stock has recently experienced a noticeable upward movement indicating renewed interest and positive momentum. After this rise, the price is showing signs of consolidation, which is a common pattern after a strong move. Important support zones are forming at lower levels, while resistance is visible near recent peaks. A breakout above resistance may continue the upward trend, while a drop below support could lead to short-term weakness. In terms of future outlook, Intel's direction will depend on technological advancements, competitive positioning, and industry demand. The semiconductor sector remains essential for global innovation, which could support long term growth potential. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any decisions. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more analysis videos. Thanks for watching.